Resources is a very important feature of eClass app through which teachers can send any kind of study materials to their students, be it PDF, JPEG, YouTube videos or links. Let's see how we use this. To get started, click on Add Resources. You will get 4 options: to create a folder, add files, links or YouTube video. Let's start with the folder. Let me name it as Chapter 1 Notes that I have prepared. Click on Save. As you can see, this folder is created. In this folder, I can add files, links or YouTube videos. Let's click on Files. You can either take a picture or upload a document that's already there in your phone. I have uploaded 2 documents that you can see under our newly created folder. Similarly, I can upload YouTube videos as well. I have already copied one of the YouTube links. Let me paste it over here. You click on to save and you can see a YouTube video uploaded over here. All students of the classes will get a notification that the resources are uploaded and they can access that whenever they want. The best part about this is everything remains saved in the cloud. That means you or your students do not have to worry about phone storage. Even if you have changed the phone or reinstalled the application, the data in these resources will always be available to your students. Now let's go to the account section by clicking back button. You will see all my classes and it will have its own resources. By clicking on account button, you will be able to see resource library section. Resource library section has all the resources and folders of the classes I contact. Let's click on to Class 8. When you long press a folder or file, you will be able to move or copy these documents to other classes. Let's copy from Class 8 to Class 8 Tuition. Now you will be able to find a folder in Class 8 Tuition. Now I want to move the video to Class 7. All you have to do is long press, select the Class 7 and click Move button. You can easily move, copy or delete any of these resources across these classes. This is how we use resource feature on eClass app.